The Jeep Compass is the world's best-selling Jeep, and it's not hard to see why. This all-new design has just had a huge revamp with new tech and safety features. My name's Sam from Hobart Jeep, and today I'm going to run you through the launch edition Jeep Compass, which will soon be replaced by the Night Eagle. The Jeep Compass looks great on the front with a 7-slot grille design to fit in with the rest of the Jeep lineup and even some LED daytime running lights. The Compass comes in a 2-tone colour design, in which this case they've gone for the metallic white with metallic black roof on top. You get an optional 18-inch alloy wheel design as well for improved styling and performance. The rear of the Jeep Compass also looks great with some stylish rear tail lights and some silver roof rails on the roof. When you lift up the rear tailgate, you get great storage in the boot with 438 litres as well as 3 top tether points for your baby seats. There is the option to fold down your rear seats as well to give you 1693 litres of storage, which is incredible for this size of car. Rest assured your rear passengers will be comfortable with leather scented seats. They even get their own cup holder that folds down from the middle, and they get plenty of tech with their own rear air vents, a USB-C and USB charging point, and even a 12-volt socket and 230-volt AC plug. The front of the Compass has gone through a complete redesign, which leaves the driver and passenger in style and comfort with some leather scented seats. You get some soft touch grey fabric along the dash area, as well as a huge 10.1-inch digital touchscreen for your infotainment. You get a redesigned steering wheel with a bunch of new steering wheel controls and features, and all Compasses come in at 6-speed auto with automatic park brake and hold function. You get dual zone climate control as standard, and the huge 10.1-inch touchscreen is capable of displaying a very clear reverse camera when you pop the car into reverse. This also has predictive path, so as you move the steering wheel, you can see where the car will end up. The screen can display your media controls with radio and digital radio, your climate control settings, and even built-in satellite navigation. The Jeep Compass also has a wireless phone charger inbuilt with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which can help you display things like your phone contacts, Google Maps, and even play things like Spotify or Apple Music. This is all done wirelessly and no cords are needed. The Jeep Compass is also equipped with plenty of safety tech, including forward collision alert warning, which uses the vehicle's radar sensor to see what's in front. If the car in front of you is predicted to cause a collision, you'll be notified visually and audibly so you can try and prevent yourself from crashing. And there we have it, the Jeep Compass Night Eagle, or in this case, Launch Edition. If you'd like to inquire on one of these cars, give us a call on 6213 5450 or come down to Hobart Jeep and find out why more people choose to buy their Jeeps from Hobart Jeep.